Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on KuCoin step by step. Changing your display name or nickname on KuCoin is simple. First of all, launch open the KuCoin application on your device and then make sure that you are logged in. From the home page, go to the top left corner and tap on your name or your profile picture. Soon after you do that, you will be able to see your profile picture, name and your user ID at the very top. Tap the little pencil button that you see, and then once you do that, you can then go ahead and enter your nickname or your display name. Erase the current name and type down the new one and click save. After you do that, you will be able to change your nickname or your display name in KuCoin. Your new name should reflect in your profile. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.